If I wasn't in a complete panic mode, I would have started recording earlier where there was about 10 more cars behind us. Mack truck went by to my left, speeding by, sliding on the ice. Another car, oh my God, to my right, tons of them behind me. By some fucking miracle, I wasn't part of this or the accidents I just saw behind me. There's not enough police. They're stopping all over the place. Looks like there's 2-3 trucks up here. Holy shit. And some of the traffic trying to creep by. Oh my God. Not good. Man, these guys crashed. Fuck, this is a blizzard, man. This is dangerous. There's gotta be something more up front. Oh man, that truck's fucking seen today. Fire. I didn't even know these guys showed up yet. I saw all this shit happen. It must just be all the people that are backed up back there and more cars just piling up and piling up and piling up. Hopefully that's the fucking end of it. Guess I'll be driving a lot slower. Steve, this one's for you, buddy. We don't even got a nick from that. So I guess we could be thankful for that, man. Holy shit.